This is Michigan Minute, uncovering the pioneering moments of the Great Lakes State. In the early 1900s, Caro, Michigan, was a major town in Tuscola County. It's where industry, agriculture, and community came together to shape daily life. Originally named Centerville, the town was renamed Caro in 1869. As the county seat, Caro quickly grew into a vital hub, balancing rural traditions with the forward push of modern industry. Walking down State Street in those days, you would see a lively downtown packed with bakeries, general stores, and Hudson's Bazaar, with striped awnings shading display windows. Horse-drawn wagons and the occasional early automobile clattered along unpaved roads, reflecting a town caught between two eras. Buildings like the Exchange and the Grand Hotel Montague stood as landmarks of both hospitality and commerce, hosting travelers, businessmen, and local gatherings. Caro's economy thrived on agriculture and manufacturing. The W.N. Clark canning plant was a cornerstone, employing many residents and processing vegetables from nearby farms. Not far away, the imposing sugar factory churned through thousands of tons of sugar beets each year. Energy was also a growing industry. The Caro Light and Power Company's water power plant provided electricity to homes and businesses, while towering oil derricks hinted at new opportunities beneath the soil. Railroads, too, played a crucial role. The Michigan Central Depot linked Caro to larger cities, moving goods and passengers efficiently across the state. The steady rhythm of arriving trains was familiar, marking Caro as a vital stop in Michigan's growing transportation network. Yet Caro's history wasn't only about industry and progress. The town was home to the Tuscola County Poor Farm, a facility designed to house the county's most vulnerable residents, the elderly, infirm, and impoverished. This institution, pictured in your collection, was a reminder of the era's limited social safety net. Residents worked the land and performed chores as part of their upkeep, reflecting a time when counties bore direct responsibility for welfare before the advent of federal programs. Caro was a community that valued togetherness and recreation. The Tuscola County Fair was the highlight of the year, with its bustling midway packed with games, food vendors, and sideshow tents. The Ferris wheel and racetrack drew crowds across the region, offering a break from routine life. For those seeking quieter pastimes, the Caro Golf Course, with its simple, welcoming clubhouse, provided a green space for sport and relaxation under the shade of Michigan's towering pines. Taken together, we see a town full of contrast, where prosperity and hardship coexisted and civic pride ran deep. Whether at work in the fields, gathering at the fairgrounds, or waiting for a train at the depot, the people of Caro forged a community that anchored Tuscola County well into the modern era. This has been Michigan Minute. Follow us for more bite-sized images of Michigan history.